Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Exness, Delta Exchange and BingX. Exness, Delta Exchange and BingX each have unique strengths. Exness offers ultra low spreads, high leverage and story regulatory compliance, making it perfect for experienced traders. It provides a reliable trading platform with advanced tools and excellent customer support. However, its complex feature may overwhelm beginners. Exness is best suited for those looking for stability and professional trading conditions. Meanwhile, Delta Exchange specializes in crypto derivatives with high leverage and a broad range of products. The platform is advanced and perfect for crypto traders who want to trade futures and options. While it offers great trading tools, it's more suited for experienced traders. Delta Exchange lacks broader market options, focusing mainly on cryptocurrency derivatives. On the other hand, BingX offers a beginner-friendly platform with both crypto and traditional trading options. Its social trading features like copy trading are great for less experienced traders. BingX has competitive fees and good customer service. However, its regulatory status is weaker compared to more asset-based brokers. In my opinion, Exness is best for Forex, Delta Exchange for crypto derivatives, and BingX for a simple mix of both. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.